Alright, it was my voice, the boys back again, and today, I got a very scuffed unboxing here. As you can see, I already fucking opened it up, you know, I got a little excited, but I'm also recording this on my kitchen table right now. My desk is very messy, and I don't have much room, but, we got a package in here today. We got, let's open it up real quick, actually. Some fucking ground. Alright, look. Boom, we got the World Clutch keyboard, 60% keyboard, mechanical, great. And I got it off Banggood, and I'll be making a Banggood review tomorrow or whenever. I'll be making a Banggood review video though soon. And yeah, right now I'm trying to focus on unboxing and the sound test. So if you guys see anything in the background like here, that's just, you know, my kitchen shit. So yeah, my kitchen table. So let's get right into it. So the box, you know, it is from China, so it does come up a little beaten up. It is on the cheaper side too. It has Gatoron switches. You can choose between red, brown, or blue. I chose the red switches. And here you go right here. I got the white, I got the ice blue white version. And you see, made in China. And yeah, let's get right into it. So, you know, real quick. So, this is, I think my mom unboxed it first. And I already tried this out, you know, because I was, And in the next video, you guys will see that I was waiting on it for a while. But yeah, my mom, I don't think it comes packaged like this bad. But I think my mom tried to like open it from like here. But you know, you have to open this up, this, and then something, boom. And okay, look. So I repackaged it because, you know, I opened it earlier, but I want to make a video on it, so we're just gonna keep it like this. But yeah, it comes in like this. It's not really that bad of packaging in my opinion. Let's get right into it. So here's the keyboard itself. What's on the side? So it comes with a user's manual. You know, if you want to read that, you can. Boom. So this keyboard is I think around $42 when I bought it on Banggood. So it's a really good price for a 60% keyboard of its high quality fashion. So here's right here. Let's get it out real quick. So I'd recommend getting it if you're on a budget and if you want a really good keyboard for the size and the material it's made out of. As you can see, boom, it's really, you know, clean, cut, crisp. And let's get right into the sound test. So, in my opinion, when I first got it, it was really nice, and sounds really nice. Gatoron red switches are really good in my opinion. Gatoron switches are just, you know, cheaper than the average Cherry MX switch. So yeah, as you can see, there's the Gatoron red switch. They're not hot swappable, so you can't like put any other switch on it, so you can't just take it out. You'd have to solder it, and that's really it. Yeah, it comes in, you can just take it off and take it on really easily to keycaps. And the keycaps aren't really that loose. Actually, they're kind of loose, I'm not gonna lie. But you can take them off, take them on really easily. It comes with its own key, like it's a, what's it called? A keycap swapper right here. Comes with its cord, and let's get right into like a quick little sound test. So, let me. Oh shit! Okay. Fuck, I'm missing my setup here. All right. So just from that, it feels really good, it feels really responsive, and it sounds really good too. Like, let me do a close-up PR real quick. It sounds like a Cherry MX red switch, just cheaper, and it just sounds really high quality and professional. So let's, I'll bring you guys to my setup, and we will see how this looks with the LEDs. Turning it on for the first time. It looks fucking sick. Vibrant blue. No, just one whole thing. And I think, okay, look. First off, don't rush my setup, alright? It's a very scuffed setup, alright? But you know, it looks really nice. And, you know, it just look good. And they said that it's some Bluetooth ability onto it, but I'm not sure where I can. Oh. Alright, so there's an on and off switch on the back, which I don't know what it does. You turn it off and then turn it on. I'm not sure what that does yet, but I'm turning it off, and I'm gonna go get the manual, and I will see if there's any cool. Right, so on the manual, all right, let me bring you guys to here. Don't rush my setup, please. Very shit setup. The manual, FN. So you hold FN and this button. Oh shit. Okay, so there's a breathing mode right there. Another breathing mode. Got like a little up and down breathing mode. Like a circular breathing mode. Oh, it's like a little, you know, I don't know. Disco mode. Another breathing mode, but no, just different. Oh shit, it's a cool little static mode. Like, you know, buzzing all around. And there's a little like light up thing. I think it's gonna like, no, it just keeps doing that. Then they have a nice little, they have a nice little, you know, I don't know what it's called, like a wave effect. And the breathing mode. Oh, and then this is the ones like, you know, you press it and it lights up the buttons. And back normal. All right, so next function they have, control the brightness. So you want to press FN. Bright as can be. Oh, okay, shoot. And just right like that. All right, I think that's the normal colorway, right? Oh, sick. That's sick. Alright, there we go. So it's back to normal. The last mode is the control the speed of the backlight. So let me try this out real quick. So there's FN. Then do FN. Slow it down. Slow it down. Yeah, like normal speed. Speed it up. It's super slow actually. Oh, this is like that. Okay, that's sick. I actually didn't know that mode. What the? Oh, sick. Wait. Used it much yet, but I will probably give a 1 month review on it, cause I'm not just gonna let this, you know, sit around and do nothing. I did buy this for when I get my new setup, so you know it's gonna last till that long. But you know what I'm saying, I've been using this the membrane keyboard on my PC right here. So now I have a new keyboard and it's gonna do great. It's gonna work great, and you know I'm just gonna play with it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if there's software, I'll add it in the later video, right? So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and peace out. Have a good rest of the day.